Hi, today in front of me VIVO Y16 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that we should find this scan icon. Just click once here on this icon, click open photo gallery and tap search with your camera. Click, for example, only this time. Now we should place our QR code into this frame, so let's do that. Now we can here click to our link which our device find before, and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.